Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to create monthly business budget similar to this format. Here we have income details and the expenses details. You can also create this in the Excel, but benefit in the Google Sheet is that you can share it with anybody with just a single click, and you can enter their email ID and click on the done. You can also share the link of the sheet by clicking over here. You can give the access right to restricted. They can view or they can do the editing if you allow. So let us begin to create this monthly budget. First of all, come to Google Drive and click on the new button. Click on the Google Sheets. Here you have to enter the name of the sheet and click any cell to create the heading. First of all, we will select few cells of the top row and then click over here to merge it. This is the merge option. Now increase the size of the font from here. Change the font color from here to white. Change the background color of the cells by clicking over here. You can select any and you can change the font if you want, but I am going with the default one. So now type the heading monthly business budget. You can make it bold by clicking over here. A shortcut key is Ctrl B. Now enter the income details over here. You can select few columns and you can merge it. Now click on bold, increase the font size to 18 and you can change the font color as well to white. Fill it with some different color like this, and here we will enter the heading like category and actual amount, budgeted amount, variance if any, and note. You can increase the width of any column. Just come over here, put your mouse or the cursor over here. The logo of the mouse will change. Then you can move it to the right hand side. Increase the width. If you want to increase the width of columns, select like this, shift right arrow key to select 3 columns and you can increase the width of the all columns will be same. Now you have to select the heading, make it bold, make it center, and now enter the category of the incomes. So I have entered sales, commission, interest, earnings and other earnings if any. Here you need to enter the amount, here actual amounts, here the budgeted amount. Now we will calculate the variance if any. Press equal sign from here. Google Sheet will provide some suggestions. If it is according to you, press tab. If not, then click on the cell. So this time I'm gonna subtract the amount from budgeted. Then we will select C6 for budget for sales. Then minus, I will select B6 which is actual. Press enter. You will also get the suggestion to autofill in the cells below of the calculations we have done. Click on this button to accept if it is according to you. Now we have to do the sum of the variance, budget and actuals in this column, in this row. Now press equal sign and you will get the suggestion. It is according to us. So we will press enter to accept it. Now you have to copy, Ctrl C, select the budget cell and the variance cell and Ctrl V. Now select all the cells, Ctrl B to make it bold. You can increase the font size to 12. You can increase the size of the headings as well. And now subtotal for income. Select the cell from where we want to copy the formatting settings. Now click on the paint format and then click on the cell on which we want to apply the formatting. Now we have to select the complete table and we want to insert the columns. So click over here to insert the borders. Now we will copy this and we will paste over here. We will change this income to expenses detail and we have to insert some rows above this. So just click over here and press the left button and select the rows you want to insert. Right click, insert 7 rows above, and now you have to enter the expenses detail over here. You can remove this amount by selecting and press delete. I will delete this one. I will delete this one as well. I will copy the formula. Click over here, put your mouse over here. You will get this plus sign. Select this one, press the left mouse button and drag to the downside and then release the mouse button. You will get all the calculations. Press F2 to see the calculation. If it is okay, then go ahead with this. Now select this one and remove. So I have entered expenses detail like salaries, employees benefit, actual amount and the budgeted amount. Everything is coming over here automatically. We can check the sum as well by pressing F2 from budget as well, and in the D column as well. So by that way you can create this monthly business budget format in the Google Sheet and share it with anybody by clicking over here, and you can take the printout. You can just go to the file, go to print, and from here on the right hand side you can see the option if you want to print in the portrait and then fit to width, normal size. We have so many options, margins, formatting, header and footer. There are a lot of options available, and next column you will get the printing option. From here you have to select your printer, page, copies, and click over here for more settings. So select as per your choice. Click on the print button to take the print out. I'm gonna cancel this one. You can save this in the PDF as well. Just click over here and click on the download. You can download this in Excel format, ODS, and in the PDF, HTML, CSV file and the TSV file. So a lot of options are available. Hopefully guys you like this video. Click on the like button, do comment and subscribe my channel if you really want this kind of videos, if you really like my video.